Hello, ladies. In this video, let's talk about friends, making and keeping friends, especially Christian mom friends, which I'm finding is a little difficult. At least for me, it's difficult. But I think it's important to have fellow Christian mom friends because we can offer support and encouragement to each other that no one else ever could. So I'm planning on expanding my network of mom friends, and I'm sharing what I've been finding with you. As children, making friends was easy. We played at playgrounds together, and we had empty calendars, no appointments, no inhibitions. But when we get older, so many things get in the way of just feeling free to introduce ourselves to someone new and becoming instant best friends with them. As adults, making friends may take a little more effort, but I believe if we stay intentional, we can definitely start making friends quickly. A good way to start is by seeking out people who have a lot in common with us. People are drawn to others who are like them because they feel they can trust them. So it makes sense to become friends with other Christians. These relationships are important because Christian moms can relate to each other on our spiritual walks together, and we can bond over shared experiences. And if Christian moms are who we're seeking to make friends with, then we have to just break out of our shells and to go where they go. In Hebrews chapter 10, verse 24 through 25, it states, "Let us consider how we may spur one another on toward love and good deeds, not giving up meeting together as some are in the habit of doing, but encouraging one another, and all the more as you see the day approaching." So God wants us to fellowship with each other. This means we need to go where fellow Christian moms connect with each other. We can join mom-based Bible studies, connection groups, also community and volunteer organizations. And once we've made connections with other moms, we should begin to nurture our budding friendships into deeper relationships. Our priority in our relationships should be to pray and connect. We can do this by making time with our friends as a regular part of our day. And we should pray for our new friends and the needs of their families. And we need to schedule time to connect with our friends so that we can bond and we can let them know that we care about them. Scheduling meetups like lunches, coffee dates, allows us needed time to catch up. When we can't be there in person, we can connect through group chats and social media, online groups as well. Using these ways of connecting are good for sharing updates and sending out prayer requests and simply just staying connected. To establish true, meaningful relationships with friends, we need to show up as we are, as our genuine selves. It's important to just be ourselves and to show friends our vulnerabilities. Everyone has flaws and we shouldn't be afraid to show them. Pretending to be perfect is lying, and no one can get close to you if they aren't given a chance to know the real you. So show up as your true, genuine self. Other people will relate to you and you'll honor God by loving your neighbor. Along with being relatable, having kindness and grace is important for establishing new relationships. Remember, no one is perfect. Friends can't always make it to every meetup, so stay understanding and flexible, especially when befriending moms. Moms have a lot on their plates, and it's okay to sometimes needing to cancel or reschedule plans, and they'll show you the same grace and understanding when you need to reschedule plans. Understanding and empathy you'll receive from another Christian mother is extremely valuable because they can relate to our joys and struggles in a way that no one else ever could. They can help to remind us that we're never alone. Along with providing each other with emotional support, we can offer to help with everyday things like watching each other's kids and cooking or cleaning when we need it. And lastly, we can model Christian love and community and offer advice to one another. Sometimes, especially when we're new in our faith, we don't know if the behavior or our actions honor God, so we can ask our trusted friends for advice. Maybe they can suggest a more godly way of doing things. Also, having a model of good, God-fearing Christians in front of us can remind us of how we should conduct ourselves. They say we become like the 5 people that we spend the most time with. Sometimes all we need is a good example to set us on the right path. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have enjoyed this topic, please click the like button. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much.